Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have a new favorite cardigan in my closet. It's this beautiful, lightweight, ruffled cardigan from Argstar. My favorite thing about this cardigan is how easy and versatile it is. I'm a busy person and I don't always have time to spend picking out the perfect outfit, but with this cardigan, I can dress it up with a simple skirt or wear it casually with just a t-shirt and a pair of joggers. I'm impressed by how it fits so comfortably around all of my curves. I love wearing cardigans, but some of them are too tight around my arms and my shoulders, but this one is made of a stretchy, soft material that moves with me no matter what I'm doing. I've worn this cardigan out on date night and also for just a little extra warmth when I'm doing housework, and I've not been uncomfortable at any time or doing any activities. I love the little ruffle around the bottom. It's subtle enough to wear casually with a pair of jeans or dress it up with a skirt or a dress. The company offers this particular cardigan in so many different sizes and colors, and if my closet would allow, I would have them to match every outfit. So if you're looking for a new favorite cardigan that's timeless, beautiful, and versatile, then you're going to love this cardigan from Argstar. And that's my point of view.